Victoria Beckham is said to be devastated and petrified after her son Cruz Beckham was accused of cheating on 2 women, with the former Spice Girl fearing for her son's reputation. Victoria Beckham is reportedly in turmoil over her son Cruz Beckham's romantic involvements, which have cast a shadow on the family's public image. The younger Beckham has been embroiled in controversy after allegations of infidelity surfaced from 2 women. 21-year-old BBY Ivy, real name Victoria Rayton, and 19-year-old Issy Maloney, who took to TikTok to air their complaints about David and Victoria Beckham's youngest son, leaving the fashion icon devastated, a source close to the ex-Spice Girl revealed. Meanwhile, Romeo Beckham, at 22, is back on the dating scene, using apps to find love following his breakup with Mia Regan. However, he too has raised eyebrows after being spotted with Amelia Gray Hamlin and shortly thereafter with model Sophie Julia, fueling rumors of potential infidelity. An insider confided to Heat magazine, "Vic was devastated when she heard the cheating claims. Victoria is holding on to hope that the accusations are unfounded, but can't help but fear there might be some truth to them," the source explained, reports The Mirror. The informant also noted that the gossip surrounding Cruz's alleged unfaithfulness has deeply affected the style icon. The thought of any of her sons being a cheat makes her feel sick to her stomach, especially as she has instilled in them the utmost respect for women. Victoria Beckham is reportedly petrified over how the swirling rumors might tarnish her sons' reputations, fearing they could be branded as womanizers. A source revealed, "Vic has worked so hard to bring her sons up to respect women, so seeing them portrayed as players is really upsetting for her, and she's petrified that the boys are going to be labeled as Lotharios." The cheating allegations surrounding her sons have hit a nerve, especially since Victoria herself has had to deal with infidelity gossip about her husband, David Beckham, in the past. The spotlight intensified after Cruz Beckham was seen cozying up to German-Brazilian songstress Jackie Apostel at Paris Fashion Week, sparking chatter about their age gap relationship.
Déjame llorar, déjame soñar contigo, déjame sentir que soy tu señor, tu amigo. Déjame volar con el pensamiento a tu dulce nido. Te daré calor en la oscuridad si te falta abrigo. Te daré calor en la oscuridad si te falta abrigo. Qué bonito fuera si me quisieras tan solo un poco. Qué bonito fuera si me quisieras un poco más. Con esos ojazos, tu pelo suelto, tu piel morena, tu voz melodiosa, la más hermosa, qué guapa estás. Te envidian las flores, dan tus colores por tu cantar. Déjame llorar, déjame soñar contigo. Déjame sentir que soy tu señor, tu amigo. Déjame volar con el pensamiento a tu dulce nido.